Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's mstars once again. In this video I want to be giving you AdSense approval tips. So if you are finding it difficult to get your ads approved, do not worry, cause this video is going to guide you through. What I want you to do is to stay focused, watch the very end of this video, and I promise you're going to know how to get your ads approved by simply applying these tips I'm going to give you today. Alright, like I said, the tips I'm going to give you is what actually helped me in getting this site approved. He said, congrats, your site techrofis.com is now ready to show AdSense ads and start earning. So this is what everyone has been looking for, or what everyone is praying to get AdSense approved. Because if you don't have AdSense approval, you can't make money through Google. This guide I'm going to give you today will not just help you get your site approved, but to give you the 100% knowledge on approval. Alright guys, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, like, comment, and turn up the bell to get notification whenever I drop new video. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright, welcome back guys. This list here I have contains the AdSense approval tips I'm going to give out to you here in this video. Alright, number one list here said make sure your site is up and running for at least a month. To get AdSense approval, your site should be at least a month old for you to think of getting approval or thinking of applying to get approved. How do you know the age of your website? You can actually go to a website called Small SEO2, or you can go to Google and type domain age checker. As you can see here, I already have this here from Small SEO2. You can go to Small SEO2, navigate to domain age checker to check the age of your domain. So I'm going to use this website for example, or I'm going to use it for the purpose of this video. So let me copy the URL of this website and head over to the domain name checker and paste it here. What we are doing now, we're trying to check our age. We're trying to check the age of our website. Like I said here, it said have at least a month old website. So I want to check the age of my website to know the age. Go to Small SEO2, navigate to domain age checker, or you go to Google search and type domain age checker. Alright, as you can see here, I have this website. nextprotocol.com is just 2 months and 9 days old. This is how you know the age of your website. So like I said, to get your site approved, check the age of your website. At least a month old is enough. So this is what I do here. I go to this tool and check it. As you can see here, I have this website running for at least, I have this website running already for 2 months and 9 days. So your website should be at least a month old and also up and running. This is the website I just checked recently. I just checked now. As you can see here, the website is running already. I have multiple contents written already. So as you can see here, this is a website I have already. I have this website running. If you don't have a website, there's no how you can apply to get AdSense approval. So the first thing you need to do is to get your website ready. Make sure it's at least 1 month old. So let's go to the number 2 list I have here. I have a good website structure. To get AdSense approval, your site must be properly structured. As you can see here, I make sure my site is properly structured. You can actually do this by using the best theme. You can go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the theme section, and select any free theme you like. If you have money to purchase a premium theme, you can actually purchase a premium theme to make sure your site is well structured. If it's not well structured, there's no how Google is going to approve that website. So make sure you have a clear navigational website. Very easy to navigate to users, because what Google does is that they will check the website. If this website solves users problem or it adds value to users before they approve it. So you must make sure your website adds value to users by making sure you give it a nice structure. So as you can see here guys, I make it to be very easy. In most cases, if your website is not well structured, you will get back a reply from AdSense that your website is I think stuff like poor navigational error, something like that. That is an error you get when your website is poorly structured. So you make sure you have your pages well arranged As you can see, I have Nest Protocol as my logo. I have my home page. I have this. I have this. I have this, and I have this. So these are the structures of my website. I make sure I structure them very well. In the situation by I don't have this over here. I just decided to blog that navigation. Google is gonna be hard for Google to approve my accounts. So for me to make it more easier and fasten my approval method or my approval tips, I'm going to make sure I have this well structured and make sure my website is properly structured. As you can see, guys, this website is properly structured. No codes lying around, no codes, no HTML codes showing somewhere X that will make sites look ugly or not structured well. So this is what you do if you want to get your AdSense approved. Make sure you have a well structured website. So let's go to number 3. Number 3 says here, ensure you have the necessary pages available on your website. What are the necessary pages I'm talking about? The necessary pages I'm talking about here is your About Us page, Contact Us page, privacy policy. Maybe you can add the disclaimer policy or whatever. So this here I have it optional to our topic. So I just put this here. This is a get post notice. So it's very, very optional. So to get AdSense approval, make sure you have the necessary pages. If you don't have the necessary pages on your website, Google is not gonna approve your website. So you must make sure you have the About Us page, number 1. Number 2, you have the Contact Us page. Number 3, your policy privacy. Number 4, which is not really necessary, you can add it as an attachment, which is the disclaimer pages. So these pages is very, very necessary when it comes to AdSense approval. So make sure you have them all visible, because this is what Google will check. They will check your website for the pages. The purpose of these pages is to make sure that your website is reachable to the owner. But in most cases, the user might come to your website and decide to hang up, or sorry, to contact the owner of the website. Maybe you want to make an inquiry, or you want to make a guest post, stuff like that. You go to the contact section to contact the website owner or the website's manager, so anyone handling the website. So to make sure you get approval, you must have these pages available. This is very, very essential when it comes to AdSense approval. So make sure you have these pages available, guys. So to get this page available, all you just need to do is to head to your dashboard, go to the page section of your website. Then this is the pages that I have already. You can, if you don't have them listed down here like I did mine, you can just go to add new pages. Then you can go to add new pages. Sorry, you can go to add new pages. Maybe you want to talk about about us page. You can just write about us, then fill up the details. My website is located blah blah blah. You can contact me blah blah blah. Just what your website is all about. You can just do that and click to publish. When you click to publish, this is how it's going to appear. So as you can see here, I have about 5 of them here. So this is how it's going to appear. You make sure you have your about us page, you have your contact us page, you have your disclaimer, your policy privacy. So let's view these pages and see. As you can see here, this is my about us page. So this is my about us page, and I have my contact us page. So I made it to be very, very easy to contact me. So this is my contact us page. So you can actually fill a form to contact me if you want to contact me. So this is it here. So let's check the number 3 I have on the list. Number 3, okay, this is what we just discussed. Now I say make sure you have the necessary pages available on your website. And number 4, very, very, very important, have at least minimum of 20 to 25 original articles. Do not spin your content to get approval. This method is not working anymore. It only works in the black hat AdSense approval method. So here I'm talking about the real white hat. Make sure you have at least 20 to 25 articles available on your website, and this article must be unique articles. As you can see here, I have multiple articles on this website. Let me go to the article section or the post section of the website. As you can see, I've published 31 articles. So you can publish at least 20 to 25. It's very okay. So this is what you need to do, and make sure those content is not copied. I repeat, to not spin your content if you don't want to keep getting rejection from AdSense. If you want to get one hand approval, just make sure you have original content. If you cannot write content, you can employ a writer or hire a writer to write a content for you for your approval. So let's check the last but not the least method. You say check for plagiarized content or duplicate content on your website. This is very, very easy. to do, and it's very, very necessary when it comes to AdSense approval. So what you're going to do here to check this, to check if your website is plagiarized or you have a duplicate content on your website, we're going to make use of a site called SiteLiner. It's called SiteLiner.com. What this website does is that it helps to check your website for duplicate content. If you're having a plagiarized content, it's going to check it and identify it. Then you can go in there, edit those content, or you delete and replace them with a new content. So what we're going to do here is to copy the URL of the website I want to check for duplicate content or for plagiarized content. So what I'm going to do here is to input the URL over here and click on go. Let's wait for it to load, guys. Okay, as you can see here, I have some duplicate content on my website. So if I have this content duplicate on my website, there's no how Google Adsense is going to approve me. So what I'm going to do to get approval fast and to get my approval is to make sure I check all these duplicate contents to see if there's any one I have to make an adjustment or have to delete or re-edit back. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to check this. I have this page. This is admin page, so it's not really necessary. So I'm going to make sure I check all my content if I have anyone duplicate here, just like they said. Or I have category. Okay, these are different categories. Okay, so what this actually means here, duplicate content here, what it means here is like a plagiarized content. So as you can see here, it says this admin page matches 497 works with other websites, and the percentage of as in the matches percentage is 90%. Page matches 9 pages. If you should click here, it will take you to the page that matches those content on your website. So as you can see here, this is it here. These are the pages that is duplicate on my website. As you can see, these are duplicate content. So let's go back to SiteLiner again. Just keep checking them. You check this to make sure your content are free from duplicates and are plagiarized free. Plagiarism of our website, or to find more duplicate content on our website, is called Copyscape. This website, what it does is it helps you to find copied content on your website or to find a duplicate content on your website. What you just have to do is to paste your URL over here. When you paste it and then you click on go, then follow the instructions to find out duplicate content on your website. So alright guys, I'm going to give you a website that actually check your content for plagiarism, and the website is called Great Fixer. Okay, this is it over here, Great Fixer. What this website does, it allows you to paste your article to scan for a plagiarism checker. So what you do here is to copy a content from your website. So let me copy this content and then scan to see if the content is copied somewhere or someone else copied my content. So let me just check that. So what I'm going to do here is to copy my content. Okay, head to this place and paste it. Then here is my content title. So I'm going to paste the title here and then select any of the option. It could be essay, but I'm taking this website content. Then I'll click on check my essay. While we wait for it to load, let's recap our AdSense approval tips. Number 1, make sure your website is up and running for at least a month. Number 2, have a good website structure. Number 3, ensure to have the necessary pages available on your website. Number 4, have at least minimum of 20 to 25 original articles. Number 5, check for plagiarized content or duplicate content on your website. So let's go back and check. Okay, as you can see here, this article is actually a unique article. It's 87% unique and plagiarism is just 12.3. So this is a very good article. So you can just go over here to check the content matching other people's websites. As you can see, it's not that much, so I can actually use this content to get approved. So this is the similarity index 7.1. That is to tell how similar your content is to other websites. So this is the website matching this content matches this website called this. So we can just go in there to see. Okay, I think this is only one website. If you have multiple website matching your content, you're going to see the drop down over here. So if you click on show more matches, you're going to see here I have about 2 websites that my content matches. So this one matches 7.9, 7.1. So as you can see, so this is the websites that match my article. But this article is not really copy and paste article, but it's nothing much. So this is how you check your article status, if it's copied or not. So after doing these tips I just gave here, these 5 exclusive tips, the next thing you're going to do is to hit the publish button. That is, you're going to apply to AdSense, and when you apply, wait for at least 2 weeks. They will reply you with a welcome message. Congratulations, or welcome, your ads is running, or welcome to AdSense, your account is ready to start earning, blah blah stuff like that. Okay, so guys, this is the exclusive tip I just mentioned earlier. So work with these 5 tips I just gave here and make sure you apply. You're gonna get approved on AdSense. So guys, thank you for watching my video. This comes to the end of this video section. Thank you, I really appreciate. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Hit the subscribe button, share, and always like my videos. All right guys, please, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, if you want more improvement on my video, you can just give me the thumb down so that I'll improve more on my video. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching. I love you guys.